Okay, so next, how should I do the post cleanup activity? I need to delete the entire resource group and all the components. That we can do using the AZ group delete -- name AKS novit. But wait, we are using Ansible. So because we are using Ansible, we should have a playbook for that. So let's see if we have one. We have the destroy.yaml. So if I just click here, I have the destroy.yaml. What it does, again, include login and delete resource group and delete network RG, and making sure there is nothing left here. So what I'll do is clear. This is the command that we have utilized. Instead of the playbook infra complete, I'll just do destroy.yaml. What it will start doing, it will start deleting the entire resource group. See, we go here, node resource groups. Right now you see the resource group 4, all the resources will start deleting, and it will take around 2 to 3 minutes, but you can see it has started deleting the resource group here as well. If we just refresh, you'll see this is getting deleted. So this is my post cleanup activity. So this can be your practice. You keep creating the resource group, keep changing the configuration, see how it affects, and once you are done with your testing, destroy the entire infra so that you will not be charged further. So I guess this is all I wanted to showcase to you. Thank you so much for keeping your patience for this video. It was long. We did many things, but definitely this is a first step for us to in this particular playlist that now we have the setup ready. We have seen the core part of this in this video, how the structure works, how do we create multiple resources, how do we attach to it. Go through it, take time, debug yourself, start running single playbooks by yourself. Just instead of the infra playbook and this playbook, you just need to replace the name of the other playbooks. Start small, change the configurations that you want, and make sure that you are able to create the AKS yourself in your VM, and so that you can follow along for the next videos that will be upcoming after this one. Okay, thank you so much for your time and patience, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day.